Hi friends, and welcome back to How to Make It with Lily. Today I'm so excited to share with you my banana bread recipe. This recipe is super easy, super quick, and it gives you wonderful results each time, so let's get started. We're going to start off by melting 1/3 cup of butter in a medium-sized saucepan. In the beginning, you can have the pan on high flame. When you see the butter melting, bring it down to medium or low flame so as not to burn the butter. Once the butter has melted, we're going to get to the bananas. I will be doubling up this recipe so that one loaf could be for breakfast and the other loaf the kids could take for snacks throughout the week. This next step is super fun for the kiddos to get involved as it involves smashing up the bananas. In this large bowl, we have 6 ripe bananas that we are smashing up. Again, we're doing it for 2 batches. If you choose to do 1 batch for this recipe, you can do 2 to 3 ripe bananas. We're going to go in with a fork and smash the larger pieces of bananas just to make sure there's even consistency. After the bananas have been mashed, we're going to add the melted butter to the bananas.
Smells like candy now.
I love her little comments and her singing and the joy that this brings to her. It's such a special moment to have. It is important to note that we're adding the melted butter to the bananas so that the butter could be tempered, and when we put in the eggs, it will not get scrambled. Next, we're going to add 1 egg if you're doing 1 batch. If you're doing 2 batches, you want to add 2 eggs. And also if you're doing 1 batch, you want to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. If you're doing 2 batches, just do 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
That smells really nice.
Now it's time to add all our dry ingredients to the mixing bowl. In the description box below, I will have all the ingredients and the quantities needed for this recipe. Next, we're going to give it a good mix until it's all well combined. And this is what the batter looks like when it's well combined. I have 2 half-loaf pans here that I have greased and floured, and we want to divide the batter evenly between them and fill it up until it's midway to the pan. Next, we're going to take out all the air bubbles by thumping the pans onto the counter, like so. Into the preheated oven they go for about 45 to 55 minutes depending on your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Mine took about 45 minutes to bake, and we're going to test it out with the toothpick method just to make sure there's no rawness left, and looks like it's good to go. And here are the final results. After it cools down, it is irresistible to my family, and this goes like crazy. So when I do bake it, I'd rather do 2 batches at once because this will not last by the end of the evening otherwise. It is delicious, especially in the morning with jam or butter on top, with tea, coffee. You can do so many different variations with this. You can do chocolate chips, you can do coconut, cranberries, whatever you like on top of the bread, and it's just endless. I love the fact that it is fall and baking season has officially begun. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to share this video with a family or a friend, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. It's free. All these actions help in the growth of the channel. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you again for the next.